Hey, you know,
What's up?
you know, today in my math class, my teacher made us watch a movie.
Really?
It was like Shrek, but we couldn't even watch the movie.
Why?
Because the fucking shit kept lagging. Like, dead ass. Like, they kept talking, but then it's like the movie was like still, like frozen. And I'm like, what the fuck is this? And he's like, oh, I'll give you this like as a Halloween treat. But it's like, you good? Oh, fool, you fucked up. You pick it up. 5-second rule. 5, 4, 3. I'm just kidding. No, fool, you better not put that.
I'm shaking. Should I?
No.
For the views. For the views.
Fuck it.
For the...
Fuck it, Jay. So good?
It tastes like tire.
Okay.
This is my apology message for my friend Angel. Friend, the fuck? My best friend Angel. When the cars were leaving, like my friend Shane, for Mustang, you know who we are. I hurried the fuck out of this fool to hurry up eating his animal fries. This is a good recording. That's how much commitment I'm into this shit right now. I didn't upload the video though, but I have the video if you guys want to watch it. I'll put the video right now. Only in Burbank.
Hey,
What?
you remember that? Remember that?
Yeah?
You remember what you called him?
Okay.
Don't fucking.
No need to put that into the fucking video.
Nah, you
Jesus
know what you
Christ.
called him. You know exactly what you
I
called
forgot, sir.
him. I forgot too.
Here's
I
a-
thought it was something stupid.
Here's a video of it. Hey, we have our boy Angel over here talking shit to us. Why?
Of course.
Why?
Because you just called Jason Voorhees Jason Bourne. Like, what the fuck?
Is it a problem?
Yes, it is.
How is it a problem? It's a big problem? It's not my problem though. No. Guys, we found the new scent. What's it? Acid.
Acid.
Acid. That shit glows like a motherfucker. Who do you think will win, the gorilla or the German Shepherd? That's what's going on. So this is the one I told you I saw in on Balboa, and then we have the street. Is that Street Hunter or Pandem? That's Pandem. Okay. Oh, that's fucking dope. Short time with Angel. Go for it, bro.
Alright. Well, we're gonna talk about the first time I did coke. Now, or if you guys want to call it crack.
Oh fuck it. Let's call it both. Why not?
I'll call it crack for now. My first time doing crack, I remember I was at my homie's house, and then I was like, he told me to go to the bathroom, and I was going to the bathroom, and then I took the number 2, okay, and then don't make fun of me, okay? Everyone takes number 2.
Eso sí es cierto.
Yeah. So there's no toilet paper, right? So what I did is I went under the cabinet to get toilet paper.
Yeah.
I opened that shit, fucking pounds of fucking coke right there. I'm like, what the fuck?
Literally?
Yeah, and then I went to go confront that fool. Like, whoa, you got shit coke in your bathroom, like just like that. Oh, and food, that's kind of sick.
That is sexy, not gonna lie. Dude, imagine I win my Nismo. The fucking.
Whoa, you have it on?
Yeah. Shit, bro. Fucking sexy. Okay, but keep going, bro. Oh, he's Tokyo today. What a G.
I'm on my phone now.
But keep going, bro.
Oh yeah, so then long story short, he got a brick and then we fucking sniffed it. Next thing you know, dude, I'm in North Hollywood. I wake up in actual Hollywood, City Walk. I wake up in
Universal,
basically, not Hollywood. My bad. I wake up in City Walk and I'm like, what the fuck? How the fuck did I get here?
Yeah. Anything else?
And then after that, I don't remember. I just remember my mom picking me up, and I was all scared and shit. And yeah, it was scary.
It happens, bro. It happens.
Really sure
It happens. Don't do drugs, kids, because else you're gonna become retarded. Oh shit! You're gonna run that fade, bro. You're gonna run that fade. Oh shit! We're fighting here.
We're gonna dance, but who got a speaker? Anybody? Hey, I got you.
Damn, bro, that fucking nice shirt, he's sick.
Hey, burn out. Take out your phone, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat. Record it. It's about to get down. How do we bet? Hey, who got your dogs with the idiot? Hey, I got the ball.
Oh, shit.
Wait, no, we can't make
Okay, who you got?
I guess we'll
I got Gorilla. But he got the better carry. Oh, shit.
Wait. Oh, no, he's in one.
He's in one.
Yeah, let's take up the running shoes on, bro. I'm about to lose my mind.
He ain't fucking up the Jays. There's no way, bro.
Let's go.
Hey, bring it out.
Go!
Damn. Look at that.
What's about?
I saw it actually. Okay. Realistically, though, I fucking saw her, but I didn't notice her. Like I thought it was a real girl.
You didn't see the map?
Dude, from far and distance, it looks like a real girl. The fucking hooligans are back.
I go for Skeletor.
Keep on this time. All right, let's go. One time.
Ready? Hey, you gotta get him prepared. Set. Go! Gorilla takes it.
Dude, the guy had to get back. The challenger over there was like, oh shit.
Is that you, Peacock? Is that you, Peacock? It's a Supra!
It's a GoPro.
It's a Supra.
It's a Supra!
What's that?
Oh shit!
Damn.
It's got a table on it! Hey, this one's got a table on it! It's got a table! It's not a BMW!
How to get roasted in 2020?
This your car?
Nah, bro, I wish. Yeah, I have like all the bullets and shit, like the wastegate over there. I think that's the wastegate. Why is everything wrong? That's a weird fucking army. Not weird, but that shit's fucking wow.
Shit's crazy.
People have balls.
I know, for real.
Yeah, big
Just
balls.
like him.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey,
What's up, though?
when are you gonna get your car?
Good question. I'm not sure.
I don't know. When you guys subscribe and like and maybe more views and shit like that, I could get a car maybe by next year. Right? Like, subscribe, probably share if you want, but it would help a lot.
Not if you want.
You know,
should do it.
You know what? You should do it for Deadpool. Who wouldn't do shit for Deadpool? Deadpool, he's king. He is king. He is our king. He is our senpai.
Fuck that bull, just do it for him.
Oh, thank you.
If not, then you're all gonna.
I think I fell in love with you. Alright, no problem. Most gayest moment you ever seen. But, yeah, some guy actually had the balls to do this. And the cops are over there talking with the people who do this shit. Poor guy, man. Poor guy that does this shit. Like, no offense, like, if you sees this, man, like, I mean, it's cool what you did, but, dude, come on, have some sympathy for the guy. He's literally hosting this shit just for us for Halloween. Into the cop, but, hashtag oh, hashtag here. Sorry. Liberty Walk stuff. I'll show you a picture right here. But a Liberty Walk Ford Mustang, it's something I've never have seen. Like, whoa, imagine. That's one thing I love about them, but like, damn. Like, damn. That's nice. That's real nice. And my camera's getting blurred. This is the end.
Yes.
So I hope you guys liked it. Hopefully.
Not better, like.
I had to like beg someone to bring me over here. Not him, but yeah.
Yeah.
So
If y'all don't like, I'm gonna come for you. Like,
you see that? Aggressive as fuck for no reason.
Yep.
But yeah, I'll see you guys later, and peace out. Take care. And if you like, but I don't care if you don't. But hopefully you guys
Like
it.
and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe if you want though.